Hi, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we shall be making fresh baobab leaves soup with teasers. Kindly watch to the end and see how we are going to make this delicious meal. Here, we were plucking some of the baobab leaves. So this is a small baobab tree from which we pluck the leaves. So we send the leaves to the house and prepare it. So the lady you are seeing here is called Madam Titi. She's my friend, and today she's the one who is going to show us how to prepare the baobab leaf soup and then the teasers. She's going to show us a new way of making the teasers, which is different from the regular way of making teasers. Please watch to the end so you can see that new method of making teasers. With baobab leaf soup, though we are all from the Upper East region, but various tribes prepare the soup differently, so she's going to show us her own method. If you have ever prepared baobab leaf soup before, please at the end of the video let me know if this is the method you use or you use a different method. We are done prepping the leaves. So here are the leaves we've prepped. This is our main ingredient, and inside this plate we have some smoked fish, and then we have our amani. This is dry herrings, the big one, and here we have our locust beans, which is known as dawa dawa in Ghana, and some fresh pepper, and here we have our seasoning cube. We will not be using all of it, and salt to taste. We've added some salt to the leaves. We'll also add water to it and wash it very well. Then we'll allow it to dry for a while so that we can pound it. This is because we don't want it to be slippery when we are pounding it. So that's why we want to allow it to dry before. Please like the video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Press the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. While we are waiting for the leaves to dry, we'll go ahead and prep our fish. So this is the amani. We need to remove the scales from meat so that we can pound it. We are going to be pounding this together with the leaves. So that's it, we are prepping. And here is the other smoked fish that we are also preparing. So we are going to remove the bones from inside and make sure that the inside is clean. That's what we are doing right now, and as you can see, she has removed the bones and the inside looks very clean. So this is what we need. We are done prepping the fish, so go ahead and cover it. The flies are really worrying us right now. Our leaves are well dry, so she's going to pound this. She still has some left, so when she pounds this a bit, she'll add the rest to it, and we are going to add the fresh pepper to this as well and pound. She is now adding the rest of the leaves together with the fresh pepper to pound. Meanwhile, on the side, we are going to start preparing our teasers. So we have added water into the pot and we'll add some sour water to it. We'll cover this and allow it to boil. So this is what we are going to be using to make our teasers. After pounding the leaves with the pepper for a while, she's now adding the dry herrings. So she'll also pound this for a while. And then the last thing she'll be adding to pound is the dawa dawa. As you can see, the water for the TZ is boiling already. So right now she'll add some flour to the water and mix everything together. Then she'll pour it into the boiling water to make the porridge that we are going to use and prepare the TZ. We'll cover this and allow it to boil. So this is where she's going to prepare another mixture, that is the flour and the water. She'll make it thicker this time, then she'll put it down. That is what she'll be using to prepare the TZ. Instead of pouring the flour directly into the porridge, she's rather going to use this to prepare the TZ. So this is where we are using a new method instead of the regular way of using the flour to prepare the TZ directly. She's now adding the dawa to pound. So this is the last thing she'll be adding to the leaves. Our pounded leaves and the other ingredients is now ready. She transferred the pounded baobab leaves into a saucepan and added water to it and stirred everything together. Right now she is adding the local saltpeter, which is made from ash. Then she'll wash the smoked fish into the soup. So the porridge for the TZ is ready, so she's fetching some to put down. She'll be adding it later so that we can start making our TZ. Normally we would have added flour to this while stirring, but she's going to use a new method, as I said earlier, and it's actually my first time seeing this method. I've been using the other method, which is putting the flour directly into the porridge. So here, this is the one she prepared down earlier, so she'll pour it into the porridge while stirring continuously. I've never seen this method before. Hey. So lovely people, let me know in the comment section, have you used this method before, or this is your first time seeing it? Please let me know in the comment section. Our soup is already boiling, as we can see, so it's now time for us to add our seasoning and salt to taste. She's using half of the seasoning cube for this, and afterwards she'll add salt to it, and that's all the ingredients we are using for this soup. You can see how the soup looks so slimy and green. This is the authentic fresh baobab leaf soup. She's now adding the rest of the porridge to the TZ, the one she fetched down. So after that, she'll stir everything and we'll have our TZ ready. Our TZ is ready, so when you touch the TZ and it's not sticky to your hand, it shows that it is ready, as she has demonstrated. So it's time for us to serve. Our soup looks so delicious as we can see, so we'll stir it and just check to see if it is ready. Our soup is ready now, so we'll take it off the fire and then we can go ahead and serve this with our tea set. Here we have our teaser served with our fresh baobab leaf soup. So go ahead and enjoy. Please, if you have watched to this point and you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and press the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And do not forget, please, to leave a comment down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and please, you are invited. As you can see, we are all enjoying.